peppercorns, clove, cinnamon, javitri, salt, coriander seeds, cumin, salt, you can also use mixer to grind them. Take a bowl for marination. Add grated onions. Now add curd. Add turmeric, coriander, and red chili powder. Add ginger, garlic, and green chili paste. Now add a whole garlic. Add oil. Now add potatoes. Salt. One cardamom. Mustard oil. Now mix them. Kashmiri law mirch. Now add the egg. Mustard oil. Cumin. Red chili. Add marination. Cover it with a lid and put some weight on it and let it cook for 20 minutes. Now add some coriander and prepared powder. And it's ready to serve.